Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you ready to elevate your English skills and speak with confidence? In just a few minutes, we'll unlock the secrets of the present simple and present perfect tenses that will transform your communication. Part 1. Explanation and tips. Let's dive right in. First, the present simple tense. The present simple is used for habits and general truths. You'll use it when talking about things that happen regularly or facts that are always true. The present simple structure. Affirmative. Subject plus base form of the verb. We add s or es for he, she, or it. For example, she plays tennis. Negative. Subject plus do or does not plus base form of the verb. For instance, he does not play tennis. Interrogative. Do or does plus subject plus base form of the verb. Example, does she play tennis? Now, the present perfect tense. The present perfect connects past actions to the present and is great for discussing experiences or changes. The present perfect structure. Affirmative. Subject plus has or have plus past participle. Example, they have visited Paris. Negative. Subject plus has or have not plus past participle. An example, she has not visited Paris. Interrogative. Has or have plus subject plus past participle. A quick example, have you visited Paris? Here are some quick tips to avoid common mistakes. 1. Subject-verb agreement. Make sure the verb matches the subject in number. For instance, he runs, not he run. 2. Correct form. In the present perfect tense, use the past participle. Example, I have eaten, not I have eat. 3. Signal words. Remember, use always, never, and often for present simple, and ever, never, just, already for present perfect. 4. Avoid overusing present perfect. Don't use it when the time is specified. Instead say, I visited Paris in 2020. Practice makes perfect. Regular practice will significantly improve your understanding of these tenses. Part 2. Examples of sentences. Let's look at some examples to reinforce what we've learned.
I eat breakfast every morning.
I have eaten breakfast already.
She plays the piano beautifully.
She has played the piano for years.
He reads a book every week.
He has read 5 books this month.
They write emails daily.
They have written 5 emails today.
We study French at school.
We have studied French for 2 years.
I go to the gym every Saturday.
I have gone to the gym this week.
She watches TV in the evening.
She has watched that series already.
He walks his dog every morning.
He has walked his dog in the park.
They listen to music on weekends.
They have listened to that album many times.
I drink tea every morning.
I have drunk 3 cups of tea today.
She cooks dinner for the family.
She has cooked some delicious meals lately.
He swims in the pool regularly.
He has swum in this pool several times.
They clean the house every Saturday.
They have cleaned the house today.
We dance at parties often.
We have danced together many times.
I work from home every day.
I have worked on this project for weeks.
Now that you understand the present simple and present perfect tenses, it's time to practice. Try creating your own sentences and share them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more English learning tips. Keep practicing and see you in the next video.